Welcome back to Iron Tech. In today's episode, we're delving into the realm of aerospace technology, where Turkey emerges as a dominant force in the skies. Get ready to witness the unveiling of Bayraktar Akinci, the super drone that's set to revolutionize aerial capabilities. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking advancements propelling Turkey to new heights in aviation innovation. Bayraktar Akinci is a high-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV by Bayraktar Defense, Turkey. Developed based on the success of the Bayraktar Tactical Block 2 TB2 combat drone, the Akinci is designed as an attack drone capable of operating in the air for 24 hours at an altitude of 40,000 feet, 12,192 meters, while carrying a payload of 1,500 kilograms. Equipped with a dual satellite communication system, air-to-air radar, electronic support system, collision avoidance radar, and synthetic aperture radar, the Bayraktar Akinci is a high-tech unmanned aircraft designed to support fighter jets in various operations. The first 3 units of the Bayraktar Akinci combat drones have entered service with the Turkish Armed Forces. This combat drone has a maximum takeoff weight MTOW of 5.5 tons and a payload of 1,350 kilograms. Powered by 2 Ukrainian-made Ivchenko Progress AI-450C turboprop engines with thrust capacities of 450 or 750 horsepower, the Akinci also features electronic support and countermeasure systems, 2 satellite communication systems, air-to-air radar, and collision avoidance radar. Built for takeoff and landing from a runway, the Akinci can reach speeds of 150 to 195 knots, 277 to 361 kilometers per hour, and is armed with smart laser-guided munitions, missiles, and long-range anti-aircraft munitions. Its unique bent wing structure allows for various ammunition hooks. The Bayraktar Akinci drone has achieved significant milestones, including a non-stop flight of 2,000 kilometers across 3 countries and holding the altitude record in Turkey's national aviation history by reaching a height of 4,170 feet, 12,244 meters in a test flight on March 11, 2022. It has also successfully conducted a surface shooting test with the TBER-82 guidance kit. Inaugurated for use by President Recep Tayyip Erdogan on August 29, 2021, the Akinci drone is actively used by Turkish security forces in operational duties. Developed as part of the Ukrainian-Turkish joint venture Black Sea Shield, the Akinci is a new generation strike unmanned aerial vehicle with a wingspan of 20 meters, fuselage length of 12.3 meters, and a maximum takeoff weight of 5,500 kilograms. The Akinci drone, a product of the Ukrainian-Turkish collaboration, aims to conduct operational and strategic air reconnaissance, as well as airstrikes on enemy targets. With a wingspan of 20 meters and a fuselage length of 12.3 meters, the drone is equipped with a powerful thermal imager camera, radar with an active phased array antenna, and various sensors. The first test flight of the Akinci strike drone prototype occurred on December 6, 2019, featuring the Ukrainian-made AI-450T engine developed by Ivchenko Progress. The drone is expected to continue using Ukrainian-made power plants for mass production. With a capability to survive in the air for up to 24 hours and an operational range of 250 kilometers using SATCOM, The Akinci drone has a flight speed of 463 kilometers per hour and a payload weight of 1,350 kilogram, 450 kilogram, 450 internal, and 900 external. So that concludes another enlightening segment on the Daily Tech. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of innovation. Until next time, keep soaring high with Iron Tech.